welcome back to my channel. I am Candy. If you do not know me yet, girl, you are about to. Okay. I hope you are having a bomb diggity day, and if you are not, then I'm here to make it better. So finally, the video you guys have been waiting for. It is the what I eat in a day to lose 4 kilograms in 7 weeks. I mean 7 days. It is the what I eat in a day to lose 4 kilograms in 7 days. With Farmer Freak, of course. Now I'm gonna skip straight into the what I eat in a day video and explain some of those. Some of it as we go along, but I want you to stay tuned at the end because I'm gonna go into some explanations with using the fat burner, what the diuretic is, some sort of tips and tricks when it comes to exercising and stuff like that. That's really important to help you really get to your goal. Okay, I want to introduce you to the 2 products that's gonna save your life. Okay, maybe not, but you'll need them for this challenge. This is the diuretic. It's an all-natural water shedding and detox supplement which is going to help you drop that water weight. The second product you're going to love is definitely one of my favorites. You guys know this already. This is the Rib Freak 2.0 and it is our fat burner. So the first thing you want to do on an empty stomach as you wake up is take your diuretic. Now you're going to take 3 times a day basically, and then 1 fat burner in the morning. You can do this before you eat, or you can do this before you go to gym. So this is not really necessary, but I thought I'd just show you what I do before I go train. I always take water and I basically pour it in my water bottle, and then I mix some BCAAs in it. BCAA is really great because it helps with muscle recovery. It's got electrolytes in it, and it's just a good training supplement. Okay, so for breakfast, this is going to be your favorite product ever from Woolies. It's the liquid eggs whites, and it just makes life so much easier. Also, all my food in this video is spiced with Himalayan pink salt, and then in my omelette in the morning I like having chives. So we are going to make a 3 to 4 egg white omelette. I'm not like too precise. I kind of just judge with my eye how much egg whites I want. But you're going to take a non-stick pan and just spray it with some spray and cook. Make sure that it is an olive oil spray and cook. And then we're going to pour some of our egg whites in there and add our chives and salt, and then we have our little omelette. Next up, I'm going to basically cook all of the stir-fry veggies that I have. I always cook everything, and then whatever's left I just put in Tupperware to eat later on. But for breakfast, this is basically what you're gonna eat, and it's really tasty. I love an omelette. For a little snack in between lunch and breakfast, you can have a protein shake. So I just mix it with water. It's really the best option. And then I also have it with 2 slices of pineapple. So the shake that I use is the Rib Freak protein shake from Farmer Freak. So just a quick tip for this week, you really want to drink between 2.5 to 3 liters of water a day. Now I know that can be very difficult if you're starting out, and usually I'm someone who likes a Coke Zero with my food. So here's a nice trick that you can replace your Coke Zero with. So you take some sparkling water with a water enhancing drop, some Farmer Freak. This is obviously optional if you want to, but it really helps me with my cold drink craving. So I'm just gonna put a few drops in there. I'm using the lemonade, which is one of my favorites, and it's really yum and obviously sugar free. For lunch, I'm gonna have some chicken. So your protein portions are between 100 and 120 gram, and your veggies will be a half cup to full cup of veggies depending on how hungry you are. So I obviously already made my stir fry in the morning, so let's just cook our chicken. I'm adding the tiniest amount of garlic just for a little bit of flavor before I actually start adding my chicken, and then once again just spice it with some Himalayan salt. I like leaving it to cook, so it kind of becomes a little bit more crispy, so I leave it for about 5 minutes before I actually turn the chicken strips around. And then I'll add some lemon juice when my chicken's almost ready, because I don't really want my chicken to cook in the lemon juice. I kind of just want to add that little bit of flavor but still keep my chicken quite crispy on the outside. That's just how I like it. I thought I would share. And so for lunch you're gonna have your protein, which is chicken, with some of the stir fry. Okay, snack time. Now you can either have an apple with about 10 almonds, but my favorite snack is really cutting up the apple with some cinnamon. So I'll just sparkle like it's glitter, some cinnamon over my apple, and then I'm gonna have some peanut butter. So I use a no added salt and sugar peanut butter from Woolies, and I kind of just put that all over my apple and then have that as a snack. I absolutely love it. It's like my favorite thing ever. So for dinner we're gonna steam some veggies. I couldn't find just like green veg. This was the only ones I could find, but obviously the sweet potato or the butternut, you don't want to eat that in the evening, so I'll cook it but I'll give it to Kev. So once our veggies are in the steamer, I'm going to start with my protein. Now you can have tuna as is, but I like spicing it up a little bit. I like my tuna semi-toasted, so I would really put it in my non-stick pan just for it to toast a little bit. It makes it like sort of crispy. I don't know, it's weird. I just love it. And then when it's almost ready, I'm going to add a little bit of egg whites just to like bring the tuna together. Like I said, you can really eat the tuna as is, but this is just an extra variation that I like doing. And then I'm gonna have that for dinner with my veggies, and of course you can snack on some cucumber or celery, one of those two. Now remember, this is only a 7-day diet, so after that, if you want another diet that is customly made for you and what you like, you can definitely contact my coach Ads Morris. She's on Instagram and she can hook you up with a great diet to follow after this. Okay, so here are some important notes. As I explained in my video, I did cover a lot of the things, but I did want to talk to you guys about my experience. I ended on about 3 kilograms that I lost. Now, something you have to remember is if you're someone who already quite slim and exercise regularly, eat healthy overall, you're not going to probably lose 4 kilograms. You might, you never know. But if you're pretty active already and you're quite slim, chances are you will definitely lose something, but you might not lose as much. Then for myself, I actually ended on about 3 kilograms that I lost. I was a little bit bummed because my timing was like a little bit off. Hi. He is so busy today. Good. How am I supposed to film with you, boo-boo? Okay. A little bit bummed. I feel like my timing was off because I started with my ladies sale and you know that can really affect your weight. So I think I would have hit that mark if it wasn't for that. So I was really super bummed. The other thing I want to tell you is that when you exercise, try and stay away from doing exercise that will make you stiff. I ended up doing more cardio, so I would do like the incline walking where I do about 60 minutes, or between 40 minutes to 60 minutes on an incline of 6 and a speed of 6. And that will really get me sweating and work the bum, lift it and that sort of thing. Or you can do like a warm-up of 10 minutes, then you do run for 5 minutes, jog at a speed of around 8, walk for 5 minutes at an incline of 6 at a speed that you're comfortable with. I did 6-6, and then 5 minutes jog, 5 minutes incline, like that, to really burn the fat and, you know, get the heart rate up and stuff. If you do a lot of weight training where you train your muscles get stiff and they can retain water, which will mean that you will obviously not lose that water. And the whole thing with this 7-day challenge is that you want to get rid of the excess water that you carry in your body, and that is where diuretic really comes in and helps you with that. It detoxes your system and helps you with the water drop. So try So try and drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day. I would say try and push it for 3 because you will really see the benefits. That includes the water while you are busy working out. So let's quickly address the question that I get so many times is, will the Rip Freak fat burner make you feel bad? Now, if you are someone who has never taken a fat burner or anything like that, or you haven't taken a fat burner in a while, you might feel a bit of heart palpitations within the first week. The thing you have to remember with Pharma Freak's Rip Freak is that it, 1, has been clinically proven, and 2, has a slow release energy technology, if I could call it that. So within the first week your body is not used to that because it is something new. Like for myself, I don't drink a lot of coffee, and when I have coffee I struggle with real heart palpitations until my body gets used to it. People can start drinking more coffee regularly. Interesting fact, I found this sheet on the internet that actually shows you that some of the coffees you guys drink have way more caffeine in than the fat burner. I want you to remember this, and if you struggle with heart palpitations, I would definitely recommend getting rid of your coffee for this full week so your body can get used to the fat burner. Afterwards, after about a week or so, I'd even say about after 4 days, you start getting used to the fat burner. It still does its work, but you don't feel anything. So just push through those few days and you'll be fine. I also would advise to get rid of your dairy for the week. Like I completely cut out sugar, I completely cut out dairy, didn't do any dairy, any form of milk, or like fat-free yogurt or stuff like that, and this way you will definitely get the best results. So I think that this basically covered everything. Just quickly, you can obviously buy your Rip Freak, and I use the 2.0. You can use the first version or the second one. To read up about the differences, you can definitely go to Pharma Freak's website because they have everything listed on there. But I use the 2.0 and the Diuretic. These two products you can buy at a lot of supplement stores. I know Chrome stocks it, Chrome Online stocks it, Dischem stocks it. So it's really easily accessible, and I hope that you guys get to do this challenge, and I really want you to send me your progress, send me some before photos of the scale and after 7 days, and really just push through, because I know it's going to be hard, but it's going to be so worth it. For myself, it really helped me push myself, it really helped me give that little just to lose the winter weight and get into building your summer body, and I hope that it can do the same for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck with your weight loss. I'm sure you guys are going to kill it. And until my next video, as always, stay sweet. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.